Ever dreamt of building your own PC? Well, it's easier than you think. Start by choosing the right components. A processor, a motherboard, RAM, a hard drive, a graphics card, a power supply, and a case. Consider your needs and budget. The processor is the brain of your PC, and the motherboard is the nervous system. RAM is your PC's short-term memory, while the hard drive is the long-term memory. The graphics card brings images to life, and the power supply, well, powers everything. And the case? It's the body that holds all these components together. Remember, building a PC is like building a puzzle. Each piece has a specific place and purpose. Take your time, do your research, and before you know it, you'll have a custom-built PC that meets your needs perfectly. It's not magic, it's logic. Get building.